is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the is your issue? My fucking wrist hurts.
It's a dramatic and drunken arrest that lands us at the Tampa International Airport in Florida.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, there you go.
What's going on?
Guest at the bar.
Jean jacket that's tucking the lady in the green.
Okay.
He was first harassing my customers that were in line. Then he fell backwards, literally butt first and all the way back, and just collapsed and fell back on the floor. And I think he may have hit his head, I don't know. But then he got up and he was yelling at people, had confrontations with individuals boarding the flight over United.
Okay.
And in their face, and some woman, he was right in her face, and she jumped back. And some guy that was taller than he is and bigger than he is got in his face and told him to stop. And then she walked over to get him.
It's just before 6 on a December holiday night when an airport police officer gets this not-so-festive call to a terminal bar called Duckies.
How you doing, sir? My name's Officer Vasquez with the airport police. How you doing?
Getting arrested.
Well, you don't have to get arrested.
Why am I getting arrested?
You're not getting arrested. I'm just talking to you because I heard you're being a little intoxicated, causing some problems,
so
and then you fell.
I'm so sorry. No, that's my fault. Thank you.
When are you flying out?
9:15-ish.
I'm telling you, if you go to the gate in the state you're in, they're not going to let you fly.
Okay, I will.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So do you have some place you can go right now?
I do.
Okay. Where is that?
I don't know.
Do you have your telephone? Could you look it up?
Do you know him?
Yeah.
I probably could.
All sitting here. Yeah. Get your phone. You're going to be okay.
This nice lady you see here in the green takes it upon herself to help the man in blue call for a ride home. When he sees a picture of his daughter on his phone, the man breaks down in tears.
Okay, honey, don't cry. Put your password in there.
After a minute of trying to figure out who to call, the officer begins to take matters into his own hands.
What flight are you flying, sir?
You're the guy.
What happened?
You're the guy.
I am the guy.
You're
What's your
the
flight?
guy. I can fly like 9:15.
No, what airline?
JetBlue.
Oh, JetBlue. No, you're not you guys.
So you're the guy. I'm going to go lay down somewhere. You're the guy. I got nobody to call.
I got you. So this is my concern.
I understand.
I'm going to leave,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to get another call.
No.
And then I'm going to have to come back here.
No, you're not going to get another call. I promise you that. I'm going to go lay down somewhere. I've been there.
You're good?
Another man shows up to the party, telling officers he's been trying to help the man in blue simmer down, working as a mediator between a few people at the bar. He later hints to officials that he thinks this guy has PTSD. When the officer starts asking the ducky drunkie more questions, things start to get a little ugly.
Obviously, you've had a couple of drinks. What I'm saying is...
I've had more than a couple drinks.
Yeah, I can tell. I'm just saying...
But I'm better.
Hey, don't walk up on anybody. Don't walk up on anybody. Don't walk up on.
We're gonna listen. We're gonna
I'm
ask
better than you on any
We're gonna ask
day.
him back to the main terminal. You're going back to the main terminal.
And we'll go get JetBlue. We'll rent a ticket.
Yeah.
This guy.
So listen.
This guy. Shut up. I'm better than that guy.
Yeah, my man. There's two ways you're gonna go back: either in handcuffs or you're gonna walk back. Which one are you gonna do?
No, you.
Oh, okay.
All that TM on your legal communication with the driver.
Nope.
He's pulling away.
Yeah, this guy's gonna...
Dude, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, man. Put your hands behind your back.
Multiple officers are forced to cuff the guy. They collect his things and eventually start walking out of the airport terminal. The officers ask the man if he has an ID, and after not one, but 4 times asking, the main officer in charge gets a hold of his license.
Can you read on a South Carolina driver's license by number?
The officer learns the man in blue is from South Carolina, and his name is Jerry. Unhappy with his not-so-sober situation, Jerry begins to mouth off. You'll see.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Mommy? Listen, man, we're gonna get you some help. You just need to calm down.
I don't need to calm down because I don't know what the I don't know what the is going on.
Okay. That's part of the problem, that you drank so
Yeah,
much.
I know that. I'm not drunk.
You want to just go take him down the elevator?
I'm not drunk.
Yeah, we can't take the stairs.
14 hours
We definitely
there.
can't take the stairs.
14 hours.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Why the am I still dreaming this? 14 hours. What the is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the is your issue? My fucking wrist hurts. You.
Man,
Let's kill me. Fuck out. Kill me.
With two officers escorting him in and the main arresting officer by his side, Jerry is brought inside an airport elevator. Seems like things are going okay. Well, until...
Hey! Okay. Alright, now you're under arrest. I got leg shackles. What is that? My man! Put him on the ground. Yeah, put him on the ground.